In today's episode, it's just not any episode. Today's a challenge. Not just any challenge, a beer pong challenge. Not to brag or anything, but I am the two-time champion. Here is my hit list. Every person that I beat has signed that belt. Today I actually got challenged by one of my other friends that once got defeated before. And now we're gonna go head to his house because I'm running a little late. But first thing is first, I'm gonna grab some beer. You can't show up to a party empty-handed. So right now I'm about to go downstairs. I'm about to go drive to Oakland. DJ, hit that beat one time.
Y'all wanted to see this? Six.
9?
Oh yeah, 9. Number 9.
Damn!
You play Sal.
His name
You
is
play
Josh.
Sal. I'm in the wild card.
Josh.
Who do you think's gonna win?
No, don't record me. I know that's your thing, but
Don't record me.
First challenger.
That's how it started.
so she gets
Next round, baby.
So the strategy is that you're supposed to play weak the first round. And I did that. And I just came back and started just throwing it in.
No matter what the score was, we're going to finish hard. We're going to finish fast. Yeah, they had us the first half. I'm not going to lie. They had us. We weren't defeated, but they had us.
And after that, I was winning. I'm like, I'm 1-1 right now, so I'm gonna come back later on. Just wait, just wait.
We back. We coming for Bernard.